Okay, quick video about agentic commerce, what it is, how it works. Um, so there are two types of agentic commerce. One is open agentic commerce, which we are very excited about, and the other one is also cool, but it's different, which is conversational agentic commerce. Agentic commerce. Okay, so conversational agentic commerce is some checkout inside ChatGPT or something. You're buying something on Amazon, you type it in ChatGPT and you have a checkout in there. But we're not going to talk about this one. We're going to talk about open agentic commerce. Um, so what makes it open? What makes it open is X42 and MPP. X42 is a Coinbase protocol, MPP is a Temple protocol, and they both allow you to do payments through HTTP, right? So you have a server, and you have a client, and the client in this case is an agent, right? So it could be Cloud Code. I use Cloud Code, so let's say it's Cloud Code, and the server could be an API provider. Let's say the server has an API to order mugs or shirts or something. So the client goes to the server and is like, "Hey, I want to order a mug," and the server goes back to the client and is like, "Hey, you need to pay me first," and the client creates a stablecoin transaction or transfer, signs that, gives it back to the server. The server settles it on chain. This is where stablecoins come in. You have that instant settlement. And the server is like, okay, this payment went through. I can give you whatever is behind my API. In this case, you can order a shirt or a mug or whatever. And why is this open? This is open because it's through HTTP. So any server can expose their API through X402 or MPP, and that allows any client to call into that server. So it's like the open internet, open agentic commerce, same thing. This client, uh, in this case, is a special client because this client has a private key, right? We're in stablecoin land. In this case, there are different clients. We have one called Agent Cash, uh, and Agent Cash gives any client a wallet basically to interact in this open agentic commerce space. And you can install it, uh, Cloud Code, Cursor Codex, and all that kind of stuff. Um, so, okay, let's say you want to discover new resources. You could go to MPP scan, look at all these APIs. Um, you could do the same thing for X-Ray2 scan, just a different, just a different protocol. And anyone can go in, create a new API, and register it on MPP scan or on X-Ray2 scan. So you can go up here, register resource, put in your domain, your endpoint URL. So let's do this for MPP scan. It could be like stable enrich.dev. This is one we created. So it's completely permissionless, completely open. You don't need to ask anyone for permission. You can just go expose X42 and NPP, listen X42 scan, NPP scan, and through a client like Agent Cache, it can discover these APIs and you can participate in this new exciting emerging space. If you're actually building, if you're interested in building an API that supports X42 and MPP, we have this discovery spec. So you can go to agentcache.dev/discovery and you can one-shot this. This is a prompt. This would create an open API.json, and that makes it very easy to get uh, to be listed on X42 scan and PP scan. So yeah, that's agentic commerce, open agentic commerce. The idea is pretty simple. Open up the internet to payments, native payments on the internet. This is the future we're building. If you're excited about this, we're hiring. If you're excited about building uh, X42 MPP API, please reach out to me directly. Would love to help you out. Thank you.